In this video, we'll see how we can resolve the issue that whenever you send an email from your WordPress or WooCommerce, it go to spam folder of the user. So we will try to fix it that it shouldn't go to spam folder. It should go to inbox primary folder. So we'll see how we can do it. So what happens when you try to send email from your WordPress or WooCommerce? It uses by default PHP email method in which it uses the IP address of hosting. Hosting IP address may be spammed for some reason because it's a shared hosting. It may give the reason to send mail to spam folder. To resolve it, what we can do, we can set up the SMTP email send method in which we will set up the SMTP using Google and then the user can receive the mail. For that, you need to go on plugin, click on add new. We will install SMTP plugin, then we will set up it. I have already installed WP Mail SMTP. So just install it. After that, go to your plugin. Here this is installed. Now you need to set which SMTP we'll be using. So we will be using Google SMTP as it is Google/Gmail SMTP as it is free. So we need to set up it. Here select the Google Mail. What we need client ID and client secret to set up the Google SMTP. But keep in mind, even after getting client ID, certificate, it may not work. So there will be additional process that I will guide you if it is not working. So be with me. Let's go first get the client ID and client secret. For that, what we need to do, so go on Google, search for Google Console. Here, Google. Select your email ID from here, whichever you want to use. This is your email ID. Now, let's just leave the project. First, we need to create the project because if you already have project, then add in your project. Otherwise, click on new project. You can name your project. Create project has been created. Now, select project. Now, we need to create client ID and client secret. For that, what we need to go on API and services, click on auth consent take screen. Follow the whole process with me. Don't skip any step. It will not work. Click on get started. You need to name your ad email. I will name it SMTP. User support email. Click on next. Then select external. Click on next. Contact information. Click on next. Continue and just create. Now, client ID and client secret hasn't been created yet. This is a process to create a client ID and client secret. Now we will create client ID and client secret. Go on API services, click on credential, click on add new, select auth client ID. Now here application type, I want to integrate with web, application name, SMTP. Now we need to add authorize redirect URL. We will get that from here. You can see authorize redirect URL. Copy it, paste it here. Now click on create. Now you get client ID and client secret, but even after adding client ID and client secret, you will get the error. I will show you what will be the error and how to resolve it. I will just save it. Now here you can see I have added client ID and client secret. Now it is allowing it to allow plugin to send email authorization. Click on it. You need to select the account whichever using you have created the client ID. I will select it. But here you can see this error. So we will see it how to resolve that error. That's what I was talking about. To resolve this error, you need to go to your SMTP account. Here you have created client ID and client secret. Now just go there, go on enable API and services. Here just search for Google Gmail API, sorry, Gmail API. Gmail API. Enable it. Now, after enabling, we need to do one more step, then only it will work. We have enabled it. Now go back to your auth consent screen that you can get from here. API services, then auth consent screen. So go on audience. Here, don't do anything, don't publish the app. Now just click on add test user and add the email ID. Add the same email ID. Here I will add the email ID, save it. Now auth client has been created. Now just go back. Now try to again validate. Here, now you will see you need to allow it, then it will work. Click on continue, continue, allow access to a radio. Now your WP SMTP has been successfully set up. Now email can be sent easily and there will be no